ole hi late post ni hi comment ten khatte wangin tumlo don he gron post pha da ya he chu July ani mino chin cha sakula July ni somni panga thil theng ani motor traffic light red light ka ding lain ka hnunga tang thak pakhatin min ron sutor meya ati par ve leo ani ka ring thawa ti chuanin ti hani tumlo dawin ni ambulance tanen damdoi lama ni x-ray te engkim tak sapum pui inlakin kanom tapha kanom phata hemi wanga anung lama he the true story ani comment na lama tam tak min comment tu chapau ni kan hlo na tam tak ta kha in lo en ngai don ania behind the story the true story hi ala he vinya ka video ra na ka video ron da tu chu Facebook lama real toi te ka da enge ti chanin chung lama ka ron da bong ama ka motor lei chan le ka motor leya pon lam motor dollar singtel me wa palei tur chu ke mani chon no mi dang pon le thaw ne in ti theina ne law kha law thia ro America am chon traffic thawang tam tak chu kan din hun nang law lu to ka wang hen hai in hu chang kang no tumin tum te hianin hela ma chon kan ni na ba kan thaw mo kan chang kang tin nan le hen chang motor te chu kan ke nya ke lo kan ke ber chu motor nya motor lo chon na kan thok thei lawa chu ba chon athara mo hluye mo kan nei hi tu man mak saka kai ngai sak lawa ni adan be mai tur kan ngai ka ti du na ni chu ma chu real toi te ka da chu cái ti tum chan chu mi tam tak hi hei chaina pon se nam tam tak pon cha real pon se hei om thini a mail a pon lam en join top nok do si ni lo pole in chai vak nya si lawa chung lama mi nei nung tem ho sa ti an tamani chu ba chuanin an pon lam en ni ngot hian mi jes su ti nang kha karon ti tum chan kha nya halai video hi lo an la comment le like le share chu tam nge mai tam tak than khat lai dong chu a cha pau ve a va cha pau ve lại sắp tức tắm nghề mấy mi nằm tí gió ta cái này chú can mùa anh pony xe xoay thấy cái này là right này về nhá bọc xe mà xe behind the story là behind the truth chú để video cho anh tâm có mẹ thân thật anh mà xoay thấy cái này do là right này về thôi này mà xe cái này thì em mình tu comment in tây đó chuẩn tu boy in tây với làm mi hồ sắp xoay cho nên anh ấy là địch tất anh ấy là mình comment tu tập bọn anh mà cần lo em mà chỉ rồi lên chụp bao giờ mà mình đang thiểu năng đâu mà đâu thiểu chụp bao giờ mà cả lâu lần alo ni chụp bao giờ cả lâu lần alo ni po alo ni mail rất mày video cho nằm lâu thật thật này mà xe các tụi mình cho cái phía em
các cặp nó học này là giờ cho nên cái lấy cái ảnh lâu tóc mày mà xe po nó cần lần đàn ai hay làm chung hay là coi mọi người đâu
le t-shirt mấy hasi khanin ka ho lam lu tuk zo ka chu ti chung pa thom no in chai lo le engma lo po kha ka leina tur company dor hian min en hia min le min bedu lowin le min welcome lo hian an om lo re rani kar la ka zeb lo kang ren an extra lo la ve le zela tu lai chon unan extra lo boy pu ya he tingek ngak mai ni ti chon he karon lan tir le zel bokanga ti hianin customer service hianin entin ma hianin min treat dang lam chuang lo min ton bok lova min huniam bok lova an na tur tak an ti ni ti achia
cho nên cái lấy cái ảnh lâu tóc mày mà các cặp nó học này là giờ cho nên cái lấy cái ảnh lâu tóc mày mà xe po nó cần lần đàn ai hay làm chung hay là quay mọi người đâu
share rang na le chin chana na thave shim shim ka tia ka video cho dar ka somni pali tling ma in mi noi ni nan en to lai po kha zanga sanga chuang in lai to share po kha mi pakwa in share to boka chung chu to na chuan ka delete sak le to kut kham tak le ha taka chapau taka min lo ngai min lo comment tu te po kha kan lom em ani hianin customer service hianin thian engkim himin shilfia nung lam background music an chuarung no toka chawang chonin karon thun tamai min ro them sak to ania hei hi sang ne la samni pali kumin Pacific Limited chuak thar kumin model ani hi kum sang ne la samni pali kumin model thar ani heng hi motor man tau chu ni lawani motor thar ro apo motor man tau ani law USA siamania Chesler ania motor man tau ani lawa kai ni ta ne ro chonin kum som palit nuwa kan patan phejang kum som pruk mo kai tan phejang kum som palit nuwa kan 0 mile h motor thar pakhat kan lei ve chun ani miawa karon da ve shima chuanin heng kan lei te hi chapo na ani lova USA system te le an motor te changkang zia kan non mu tir ve du mai chahu ani a chuwang chuanin mihring rilru hi alo mak kop mea mihring rilru mihring kan ni miau si a enge ti chuanin thil thar le thil tha kan nei hian tu ma he kan lo in lom pui vak lovani ti he a chiang em mea mi tam tak min lom pui tu chon om ve thawa ma se atam zok he chuanin ka in lom pui lo ni ti he mihring mi zeda an ni miau ani
he chung lam chu mi pasari driver ne mi pasari thut thai na ne he ta hen he nung lam na boka GPS ko tele hata hen motor he ti hen vek boka chuan a chung hi sunroof an ti me hi hon thei vek ani te chan ve thakin ma hei kan du chan chone do bara hen tiang sunroof hianin motor hi a thoveng ne jang mo zol bi kama moi na to các cặp nó khác này là giờ cho nên các cái lấy thì anh phu lâu khóc mê mà sẽ cô nó cần lần đàn ai hay làm chung thì lâu coi món này đâu thế nào rồi mất thì đang mất khóc luôn tội dễ
video là tuổi
đang mà hay nuôi không để nó cái lão lộn là mình thấy sắp cái chọc của nó tao chứ là chọc tao đó này hay 0 miles 2024 chọc ta bye bye don kia không có lỗ hổng thế với cái này kia nè. Oh, okay.
Memory 1 was set to you.
All right.
So when you're in here, you're gonna adjust the seat, and then you're gonna press S2 to adjust your seat. Over here, it's very simple. All windows are automatic. You have folding mirrors.
Oh.
And do you see that triangle right there? So you also have blind spot. So when that little light is yellow, it's telling you there's someone in your blind spot. Okay. I'm gonna keep all your lights on auto. That way it's automatic. Okay. You have your controls for your gauge cluster. It's telling you your miles per hour. It's telling you your vehicle information.
Okay.
Miles per gallon.
Okay.
MPG. Okay.
Okay.
And then right over here, let me get this out of there. This is your cruise control. And then this is adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control, you can set the distance between the cars.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
And then you do have lane assist. I'm gonna go on the other side real quick.
All right.
Okay. So on the home screen, you have your home screen, which has widgets. So these are basically shortcuts. If you want to change the shortcut, you press this little button here. And then you can choose any of these. So this is your new what's it called, your new shortcut. You have media, which is going to show you what's playing, like Sirius XM, FM, AM radio. And then you do have
but we cannot watch by the YouTube on the screen, right?
You can't watch YouTube on the screen now. Okay. And then you have comfort. So comfort, you have heated seats, ventilated seats. So I'm gonna turn on your ventilated seats and you're gonna feel it be a little bit cooler. And then you have heated steering wheel, and then you have your heat, your temperature controls are up here. So everything's on AC. You also have access to the rear. The rear is gonna control everything back there for your kiddos. So this is your temperature from the back. You can also sync it to the driver so it's the same. You have navigation. So you can also use your wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but you can also use this navigation. Okay? And then we're gonna connect your phone here in a little bit, but this is where you're gonna connect it. Then you have vehicle. So this vehicle has surround camera, 360.
Okay.
So my door's open. So this is your 360 view. You have different camera views. So you have backup, and then you have cross paths, so you can see who's coming on the side. Same with the front. And a front camera. And then your regular backup camera. But this is what you're gonna be on. Okay.
So we're on the vehicle, right?
Yeah. But can you put your foot on the brake? Every time you go in reverse, it's gonna pop up for you.
Okay.
And in your gauge cluster, it's telling you what's going to be around you. All right. I'm gonna put it back in park. And then you have vehicle settings. This is where you're gonna adjust however you want. Mainly things like your time zone, all that stuff. You don't really need to know much of this. Okay.
And what is so the one we rent the car is always like on this one. So what does it mean?
So this is a parking assist. So it's gonna assist you in parking. If it senses 2 lanes, a spot, it's gonna help you get in.
Okay.
This is to turn your parking sensors off so you don't hear the chime. That.
Okay.
This is lane assist. So right now it's on, but basically it keeps your car in the middle of the lane. If it senses you going over the lane, it's gonna push you back in your lane. You can turn that off, and then it's telling you lane sense is off.
Okay.
And then this is your automatic stop and start off. So basically, let's say you're in a stop sign, the engine will shut off, and then as soon as you release the brake, it's going to turn back on. You can turn that off so that the engine is always running.
Okay.
This one is going to help you save a little bit of gas. And then this is traction control. All right, and then these are your temperature controls. Same thing here.
All right.
And then your volume. And then your
just
station.
the horn, is it?
No, this is your parking brake. Do you know? Do you know the thing?
Yes, the handbrake.
So if it's red, that means it's on. It's active. To turn it off, you have to put your foot on the brake, and then press it.
I see.
And then it's off. So here's the next part. Okay, you see this? This is a wireless charging pad.
Wow. Okay, wireless. Let's
So I'm
try.
gonna put it here, and this little blue light has to turn on. The doors have to be shut. Can you shut that door?
What's on there? Hey, too.
Make sure all doors.
I think it's a new feature.
Yeah.
23rd.
It should be on. Maybe I didn't put it right. No, I didn't put it on right. I don't think. Right there. Blue light is charging. Okay.
This is a wireless charger.
Yep. So that's it. Cup holders. You have chargers here. Yeah, and you can turn.
What is that?
Push
What's
this.
that?
You can just close it. This is
just for the close.
Yep. This is to put like your phone or whatever you want. Cup holders. You have more charging back here, and then these are for coins. And then more storage. You can close that. You can you can shut this, but this has a lot of storage there, and for the kids cup holders. And then there's more storage down there.
Yeah.
Nothing here. So look, this is what you're gonna know. So right here, this is for your sunroof.
Hey, can do better. This is what we are looking for. Yeah.
And then one more time.
Hey, ni kan do better. So motor kan lazy kan do. Pakatapoy mo pakat so
pretty cool, right? And then this is what's actually going to open it.
On the top. But only open can this side, right?
Correct.
Okay.
And then you can close it.
See. Alright.
And then for you, this is going to be for you only, okay? So you can, if you turn this off, that means they can't open their doors.
Okay.
So if you have the kids who are pressing buttons,
so,
you can turn it off. If it's on, that
they can open it.
You can open the doors like this, and they can press the button.
Oh, this is a lock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just like lock, right?
Yeah. And then you can shut the door, and then you can also open the trunk like that. Okay.
thui thắc khóc mấy không mà có bị lúc là cái so thui thắc khóc mấy.
Close it. And then that's basically it. There's not much else. Everything's pretty simple back there. You guys have heated seats, only these two. You see that button right there?
Yeah.
That's your, no, right there. Yep. Those are heated seats.
Heat?
Heat.
Anh mà còn thôi phải thế này chứ không?
Oh, for only this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Alright.
That's pretty much it.
Yes.
So let's go see if
motor thar chung ajan lo nu la thai chung ka but in but ka phel te wa but motor thar ne ka ori men zoi mong in ke nia ka lang palang bal lo te ka kai palang in ke ka tat zel ro in but ka tat fai zel ro
Oh, eh, ta ka lom hey.
yanin met zakanga yanin phải có cái phèn trốn mẹ à ui bà là bận luôn nè căn hồng bụi toang thì cho nên căn hồng bụi toang hay zero mile alak cho nè mà xe 20 mile so alo toa an kal bụi qual na vel an move vel na ta na an yang karing hay zero mile la in lei kan ni hay thiên zara motor chia accident zara motor thara kan nei pha ta te ka mai ni hi tum lo da in từ không xuân tới là cái nhìn con cái tới là rừng rừng bạch thiên thì nó trồng trái mà bạch thiên thì nó trồng trái hè